Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. I am Pau, and I'm very happy that you're here with me today and that you're allowing me to help you with your meditation practice. So find your comfortable and beautiful sacred spot and let's begin. So if you find that comfortable spot where you can meditate for a few minutes, we're going to begin. And at the end of the video, if you like this meditation, please give me a like in the video and feel free to share this meditation with all your loved ones. So you can have your hands resting on your lap. Your palms can be facing up or facing down. That's up to you and how it's more comfortable for you. The meditation practice today is dedicated to find inner peace. Okay, so this meditation, you can do it at any time of the day, as many times as you need, any day of the week. So starting by feeling the spine lengthening, so you're allowing your spine to be straight, the crown of the head facing to the sky, and your sit bones are rooting down on the earth. Your hands are relaxed, your shoulders are relaxed, and it's a beautiful time, a beautiful moment to close the eyes. And I encourage you to have your eyes closed the whole time. It is important to block the eyes so we have less thoughts and less distractions for the mind. And everything in meditation starts in the breathing. So please come to the tip of your nose and take a deep breath in, paying attention to everything that you're feeling when you're inhaling, and then slowly exhale everything out. Inhale again. Your attention is on the tip of your nose and you feel your nostrils expanding, the air passing through, what happens with the lungs, with your heart. And then slowly you exhale everything out. So we already have the sensation of a calmer being. And we just continue breathing in, breathing out. But try to make it longer, deeper. Allow your body to express through that breath. To experience with your lungs how much can they expand, and then when you exhale, how long is that exhale, how much air you can exhale out. Just be an observer of the beautiful capacity of your body to inhale and to exhale in a very deep way. Your face expression is relaxed. Your forehead is relaxed. The area in between your eyebrows is relaxed. Your cheeks, your lips, your jaw is relaxed. And you continue breathing in and breathing out. Sometimes the moments of silence, you get more thoughts in your mind. So if that happens, you have the power to bring the attention back to your breathing. That means sitting again on the tip of your nose and take another deep breath in. And with no rush, no pressure, you exhale everything out as if you had all the time in the world. And if another thought comes, you allow it to continue. It's passing through the mind, but you don't get attached. Fully attention on your breathing. From time to time, you take a deeper inhale. And then, with a smile on your face, you exhale everything out. opening your inner ears, you try to discover the sound of your heartbeat. The sound of your lungs expanding. The sound of the air passing through your nostrils. And then, between the thought and the breath, there is a silence. Try to stay there a little longer.
There is a silence. Try to stay there a little longer.
There is a silence. Try to stay there a little longer.
Otra vez. Haz otra vez la idea.
And between the thought and the breath, there is a place, there is a silence. Try to stay there a little longer. And the only mission that you have right now is to continue breathing in, breathing out, and enjoying the present moment. Going deeper and deeper. Now, with a smile on your face and your eyes still closed, bring both hands to your chest, to your heart. Find your heartbeat. Salute your heart and your soul. And feel the peace. That peace, that it's been there always and it will stay there forever. It's that peace that we can all find when we calm the mind, when we silence and we reconnect with our heart. Slowly inhale deeply and open your arms. Bring your arms up to the sky and your palms touch. And then slowly hands to your heart through the center line. And slowly, with no rush, you start opening your eyes. And feel the effects of reconnecting with your soul. Thank you so much for sharing this meditation with me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. If you like this meditation, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can continue meditating with me. Namaste.